What's happening, everyone? Matt Smith here, gonna do another haircut video for you. That last one took off, so I'm super excited. I've got this wild hair going on right now, much crazier than last time. And I'm gonna be using a brand new, it's gonna be an all-in-one. It's a Philips Norelco, and it does beard, does the hair, body hair, whatever you wanna do. It's an all-in-one device. Way cooler than the last thing I used. Full disclosure, I just got it in the mail, so I haven't even used it yet. I opened it up, but this is gonna be the first time that I'm using it on myself, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, ran inside. I got the Philips Norelco now, and down below you guys are gonna have a link so you can pick one up too. Don't forget to like the video. I'm gonna start with a 16 millimeter add-on here. So like I said, haven't used this thing before. Not quite sure what 16 millimeters is, but let's go for it. Oh, and I apologize for the noise out here too. It's kind of windy, but wanted to give you guys a nice scenery while I'm doing this. By the way, just got some hair in a compartment over there. By the way, last time I did this, I took an hour. Not gonna do that this time. I'm actually gonna spend some time and do some editing. Whew, I can already feel it coming off. I am not looking in a mirror of any sort. I can feel quite a bit of hair coming off though. This is wild. You can probably see it flying around. Holy smokes. To do this without being able to see, I am literally just going at this blind. I am not a hairstylist. This is not a video to try and teach you how to do the proper cut. It's a video just to show you that anyone can cut their own hair at their home. I can't guarantee it's gonna look awesome, but I think most of you will do all right. Okay, we're shaving away, shaving away. Gosh, I wish I could see what I was doing, especially in the back. Here, let me give you guys an angle on the back. All right, time to use my non-dominant hand. We'll see how I do. God, it's a beautiful day out. I'm currently in Temecula, California, out in the wine country. Okay, so I don't feel like I'm gripping much anymore. Probably got most of it off. Since it's a 16 millimeter, it's the largest cut size that was available on here. Decided to start with that. I kind of did it on the sides, and let me see what I can see. Yeah, it's doing okay. I probably need to go shorter, but I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this thing straight on the top, and if I need to go shorter on the sides, I'll pull out, let's see, what did I got in my pocket? A 12 millimeter. So let's do the full cut, and then we'll come back if we need to. Whew, I see a lot of hair flying off. Man, it's getting all over me. I wish I could see in a mirror. Woo! I can kind of see a shadow of this one piece just like blowing in the wind. Wow. Oh, holy cow, that went short, huh? Okay, so I ran into a little bit of a hiccup. It was too sunny over there and the GoPro overheated. So I had to move to a more shady side. It's gonna be less windy though, so less background noise, which is amazing. However, I hope you guys are still able to see everything as well, since there's not as much sunlight. It did give me a chance to take a look and see how bad I've been doing and what still needs to be done. The good news is that the camera is now in an area to where I can see myself in a window. So I see a small reflection to where I'm gonna be able to get these little dangler hairs and make it look a lot better. So let's jump into this and let's get going. All right, here we go. Still using the 16 millimeter, by the way. I did notice when I went inside and I kind of looked at the back, there was a couple nicks. So, oh well, hey, hair grows, right? When you're doing this yourself and you're using non-dominant hands and you're trying to do whatever you can, especially when I was on the other side and I couldn't see a darn thing, it's not easy to do. So here we go. Let's just make it nice and good. I did decide what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna keep it the 16 millimeter all the way around. I'm not going to go with the shorter one. I like this the way it is, actually. Especially once I style it, it's gonna look pretty good. Yuck. Guess I should stop talking, I'm getting hair in my mouth. I hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Everything in the world's a little crazy right now, and hey, that's what's amazing about this. You get to learn how to cut your own hair, save some cash, which is most important. I mean, hey, the cost of this Philips deal here, I think is about, let's call it 1 or 2 months worth of haircuts. So just this one cut here alone, I'm almost saving money. So now I'll have an extra $30 a month to do something else with. Okay, let's see here. See a couple crazies going on back here. I know you guys probably wish that I was showing you the back as I'm doing it. I guess I could probably hold my phone and look at it on the phone. But I think we're almost done. And again, like I said, I don't want to make another hour-long video, even though everyone seemed to like that video quite. So I'm not sure what's going on with GoPro, but it just stopped again on me. Didn't say it overheated. I guess this thing was just like, you know what, you're taking too darn long and I'm already bored recording you. So that means y'all are gonna be bored watching this. So I better hurry the heck up. I better get this thing in action and finish up, because even the GoPro is getting mad at me. And that ain't good. Oh, that's my failed attempt at singing. I should probably stop. Let's take a look at the back here. I'm gonna grab my phone so that way I can see what y'all are seeing. Here we go. Pretty darn good. So 16 millimeter, we got the Philips. Take a look at the link below in the description area so that way you can see which one I'm using. Worked great. I mean, hey, if you're looking for a shortcut, this is perfect. I know that they have some add-on extensions too if this is too short for your liking. I'm gonna get the 9 millimeter out right here, or sorry, this is a 12. And just because I want to get these sideburns cleaned up a little bit. There, looking pretty good. All right, well, hey, it didn't turn out too bad. Did this in a much shorter time than the last one. And I believe that's just a calic. Once I style it, it'll be looking sharp. There we go. Do a little more cleanup there. I can't really see the back, but let's attempt this. I think I went a little too fast. I'm not using any add-on on this guy now. It looks a little fluffy, but hey, ultimately, it looks pretty darn good, right? Considering. Let's see. Pretty much all even. Yep, there's a couple little stragglers. Maybe I'll clip off here. We're good, we're good. I got this nice little cowlick. I used to shave it off. I'm just gonna grow it out. When you start dealing with cowlicks, you better make sure that you're doing it right, because if you don't, it's gonna be a pain in the rear for at least a month. Well, thank you all for joining. I'm super excited I was able to do another video for you. This device was way better than the last one I used. It was crazy. When I was in Kuwait, I didn't have many options. I mean, I went into one of the electronic stores and there just wasn't anything available. There was no clippers like this. You couldn't get it. So I ended up getting a beard trimmer, and that's all I could use. So I would say, for the sake of having to use a beard trimmer to cut my actual hair, it turned out pretty good. But this device that I got here and down in the description section is way better. My next video is gonna be getting rid of this beard. Ooh, ouch. Ooh, that hurt. This beard. Ooh, ouch. Ooh, that hurt. The next video will be me getting rid of this beard, or not fully, but I'm gonna trim it down and make it look nice, because it's a little wild right now. It's poking my lips and stuff. So stay tuned, subscribe. You will be notified for the next video that I do. Make sure you like down below and give me some thumbs up. Love to hear from you all. Thank you. All right, bye.